Hi boys and girls, this is Miss Christie. I'm doing the video a little bit differently today because this document camera that I have works differently than my other one, so I can't attach it to the camera and do it on the table, so I have to do it like this. So that's okay. I'll fix it for tomorrow's video. So this is Homelink 1-2. This is more work on place value. So number 1 says read the numbers to someone at home. So even if you don't have anyone at home to read to, you can just read the numbers to your stuffed animals, or it's just practice reading the larger numbers like we did today. So we have Algeria, and the area of Algeria is 919,600 square miles. Colombia, 439,700 square miles. Ethiopia, 426,400 miles. Egypt, 386,700 miles. Greece, 50,900 miles. Iran, 636,400 miles. Laos, 91,400 miles. Peru, 494,200 square miles. And Uganda with 93,100 square miles. So the second question asks, which is the largest country listed? The largest country listed. So we're going to look at our greatest digit. So we know it's not going to be Greece or Laos or Uganda, because those all have less numbers. And then with the numbers that are all in the 100,000s, which are these, we're going to look for the greatest number. And the greatest number we see is Algeria with 919,600 square miles. So it's asking us which is the largest country, so we're just going to write the name of the country. So I'm going to write, make sure you spell it correctly because you have it right in front of you, Algeria. And then it asks for the smallest. So for the same reason that we discounted 50,000, 91,000, 93,000, we're going to now look at those because those are the smallest. So Greece is the smallest because Greece only has 50,900. Compare the areas of Laos and Uganda. Which country has the largest area? So we'll look at Laos, which is right here, which has an area of 91,400, and then Uganda has an area of 93,100. Which number is greater? Well, we can see that Uganda is greater because 3,000 is greater than 1,000. So Uganda, so we're going to write Uganda, and then here you're going to write something similar to 93,100 is greater than 91,400 because it has more thousands. And you can just pause the video if you want to copy it. But I'm going to keep going just because. and then where it says write a comparison number sentence, this is the comparison number sentence. 93,100 is greater than 91,400. That's a comparison number sentence because we're comparing the numbers by using a greater than, less than, or equals to sign. So it looks like that. And at any time you can pause and copy, okay? Okay, so the next thing says, or order the countries from largest area to smallest area. So that is a little bit tricky, or can be. Order it from largest to smallest. Well, we know already from the work that we did in number 2, we know that the largest is Algeria and the smallest is Greece. So we can just start by filling those in. So write down Algeria in the top one and Greece in the bottom one. So Algeria and Greece, and then 919,600 and 50,900. Okay. Oops. All right, like that. Okay. Okay, so then what comes next after 919,000? So we're looking at the numbers in the hundred thousands place. So, well, there's 4s, 3s, 6, and 4. So 4, 3, 6, and 4. Which is the greatest of those? 6. So Iran has 636,400 square miles. So that one is second. So we're going to write that down. Iran, 636,400. Okay, next we have 4 and 3. So 4 is next, but we have 3 numbers with 400,000. We have 439,000, which is Colombia, 426,000, which is Ethiopia, and 494,000 with Peru. So if the numbers have the same in the hundred thousands, we look to the next digit over, which is the 10,000s digit. So now we have a 3, a 2, and a 9. So we want the greatest number out of 3, 2, and 9. And we know that the greatest number is 9. So Peru comes next. Peru with 494,200. Pay no attention to that. Okay. So then, after Peru, we have 439,000 and 426,000. So 439,000 comes next, so that's going to be Colombia. Colombia is 439,700. And then Ethiopia with 426,400. Remember, you can pause it at any time. If you need to copy, then you can do that. Okay, so now we need to find the next one. So we've used up all our hundred thousands. Nope, not yet. We have 386,000 for Egypt. So that one comes next. Egypt. 386,700. So now, after Egypt, now we've used up all of the hundred thousands. Now we go to the ones that are in the 10,000s. So we already used Greece for the smallest. So we have Laos and Uganda. And we already know from number 3 that Uganda is greater, so that one comes next. Uganda with 93,100. And then Laos, 91,400. Okay. And you can just pause this and write it down. And then the last 3 problems are just subtraction problems, similar to what we did today in class. So 140 minus 60, and we used lots of strategies. I think for this one, I'd use a helper fact strategy. 14 minus 6. Well, we know that 7 and 7 is 14. So 140 minus 70, we know would be 70, but this is 60. So therefore, if we add 1 to 7, it's 8, so that must be 80. And you can use a different strategy if you want. Use whatever strategy you would like. 57 minus 39. So I think I'm just going to use the traditional subtraction method for that one. 57 minus 39. So I wrote it down like this. Now I can't take 9 away from 7, so I have to borrow from the 5. "17 minus 9, which is 8. 4 minus 3 is 1. The answer to that one is 18. And then number 7, 115 minus 86. Well, I think I'm going to use the same strategy that I did before. 115 minus 86. So I set it up like that using the traditional subtraction method. I can't take 6 away from 5 in my ones column, so I need to borrow. 15 minus 6 is 9. And then 10 minus 8 is 2. So the answer is 29. And there we go. That's it. Okay, so again, I'm sorry for the awkwardness of this video. Tomorrow will be better. I'll use my other equipment that I have at home. And have a wonderful night, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.